Apples and ginger, two ingredients so familiar that many people don't even notice them. But when combined correctly, they can offer health benefits that might surprise you. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. In this video, I'll share with you a very simple, completely natural method that transforms readily available ingredients in your kitchen into a recipe that's good for long-term health, easy to make, and easy to maintain daily. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. First, take a few apples and put them in a large bowl. Add a little water to wet the apple peel. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt and rub it evenly over the surface of the apple with your hands. Salt helps disinfect and kill bacteria, and through friction, it also effectively removes pesticide residue and the waxy coating on the apple peel. The peels of fruits and vegetables contain many plant compounds, phytochemicals, that the human body cannot synthesize on its own, and their nutritional value is often even higher than that of the flesh inside. In particular, apple peels are rich in polyphenols and fiber, so it's best to eat apples with the peel on. There's no need to peel apples, but they must be thoroughly washed. After scrubbing the apples with salt, rinse them thoroughly with clean water to completely remove the salt and impurities. This will make the apples safe to eat. Drain and set aside. Next, prepare 1 to 2 ginger roots. Break the ginger into smaller pieces for easier cleaning. Add enough water to completely cover the ginger. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And stir well. Salt and vinegar help inhibit bacteria and mold on surfaces. Vinegar also helps to loosen and wash away any remaining chemical residue on the ginger peel. This method is particularly suitable when ginger is used for pickling, eating raw, or for long-term healthcare recipes. Soak the ginger for 5 minutes to soften it and remove any impurities. Next, use a brush to thoroughly scrub the ginger peel, paying special attention to the small crevices, where dirt and residue easily accumulate. The flesh of the ginger has warming properties, while the peel has cooling properties. These two elements, when combined, create balance. In addition, ginger peel contains essential oils and many beneficial nutrients. Therefore, when eating ginger, it is best to eat the peel as well, especially in autumn and winter, when the weather is dry. Only remove parts that are dry or too difficult to clean. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, change the water and rinse the ginger several times until the water is completely clear. At this point, the ginger is clean and safe to use. Remove the ginger from the water and let it drain completely. With this recipe, make sure the ginger is completely dry to avoid excess moisture affecting its preservation later. If needed, you can pat it dry with a paper towel. Once the ginger is dry, place it on a cutting board and slice it into thin, round slices. Ginger is a very common spice in the kitchen and also a traditional medicine. Ginger contains gingerol, an active compound not found in many other foods, and it offers numerous health benefits. There's a saying, eating 3 slices of ginger in the morning is better than drinking ginseng soup. The compounds in ginger help warm the body, reduce inflammation, alleviate joint and back pain, support cardiovascular health, and boost the immune system. Remove the ginger from the water and let it drain completely. Next, we prepare the apples. Apples oxidize easily and turn brown, so cut them last. Cut the apple in half, then cut it into smaller pieces. Remove the apple core, as apple seeds contain amygdalin, which can be metabolized into a harmful substance in the body if consumed in large quantities over a long period. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, slice the apple thinly. There's a saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are not only delicious, but also rich in vitamins, minerals, and trace elements, providing very high nutritional value. They are rich in potassium and fiber, which help balance electrolytes, eliminate excess sodium, and improve blood pressure, especially beneficial for cardiovascular health. Additionally, apples contain quercetin, catechin, and chlorogenic acid, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. The fiber and polyphenols in apples help lower LDL cholesterol, improve insulin sensitivity, and boost immunity, which is very beneficial for people with cardiovascular disease or diabetes. Eating an apple every day is actually very good for your health. Add the sliced apples to the bowl of ginger. Mix well until the 2 ingredients are combined. Then set aside. Next, prepare a clean, grease-free glass jar. Place the jar in a steamer over boiling water and steam for 10 minutes. This step uses steam to sterilize and disinfect, helping the product to last longer. After steaming, remove the jar and let it dry completely. Next, prepare a clean, grease-free glass jar. Then add rock sugar. Rock sugar enhances the flavor. If you don't like it too sweet, you can skip this step. You can also substitute it with honey. Next, prepare the vinegar. You can use any type of vinegar, but it's best to choose naturally fermented vinegar. Avoid commercially produced vinegars, as most are not naturally fermented and have lower purity, nutritional value, and effectiveness. The acidity should also not be too high. Below 9% is ideal, as vinegar that is too acidic can irritate the stomach. Pour white vinegar into the jar until the ingredients are completely submerged. Gently shake the jar to ensure the rock sugar is evenly mixed. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, helps preserve food, and offers many health benefits. Vinegar helps promote the metabolism of proteins and sugars, aiding digestion and weight management. Finally, close the lid tightly and store in the refrigerator. After 1 week, you can use it. Many people ask, do I need to drink this apple and ginger mixture every day? How much should I drink each time? Drinking it 4 to 5 times a week is sufficient. Daily consumption is not necessary. Just 1 small cup each time is enough. Avoid drinking it in the evening. If consumed directly, it may taste quite sour. In that case, take 2 tablespoons of the mixture and put it in a cup. Where are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments. Add warm water, around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, to dilute. You can add honey if you like. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Drink 1 cup after each meal. This recipe is especially suitable for the elderly, those who often have cold hands and feet, those with joint pain in cold weather, those with poor digestion, those who want to lose weight, or those with cardiovascular disease or diabetes. When apples, ginger, and vinegar are combined, they perfectly complement each other nutritionally. After drinking it, you may feel more refreshed, energized, have a better appetite, sleep better, and feel more alert. If you have apples and ginger at home, try this apple and ginger recipe right away. This video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you found the video helpful, please like it. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you very much. Goodbye and see you in the next video.